Looking for the best magnetic rowing machine under $1,000 and don't know where to start? We put together this guide to help you choose a home magnetic rowing equipment to add to your gym. Number 1. Fitness Reality 4000 Mr. Magnetic Rower. Within a 15 workout program, 10 are presets and 5 are customizable. The Fitness Reality 4000 Mr. has a chain-driven with a dual transmission technology providing strength for a more intense and challenging workout. The dual transmission mechanism is built within 16 magnetic tensions, varying from an easy to a more challenging resistance exercise. This machine is equipped with a 5 LCD monitor displaying time, distance, calories, RPM, total count, watts and tension level. You also have the option of setting a 3 workout goal, time, distance and calories burned. The monitor is adjustable to various angles, providing a more comfortable view while exercising. This magnetic rowing machine provides a full upper body exercise, equipped with dual independent rowing handles, mimicking a full rowing motion, for better arm, shoulder and chest exercises. The ergonomic comfort is noticed with the large cushion seat, gripping handles, the elevated seats and the ball-bearing seating rollers for a smooth rowing slide. This equipment holds a maximum weight of 300 lbs, transportation wheels for easy moving around, floor gripping for stabilization in most types of floors, and is foldable for an easy storage solution. For more stability, you can add a good rowing machine mat to your fitness equipment. Number 2. Women's Health Men's Magnetic Rower. One of the best budget rowers, the Women's Health Men's Health Rowing Machine is equipped with a large LCD monitor display featuring total distance, calories, time, total count, strokes per minute, total strokes, watts and split time. It also comes with a smartphone holder and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect with the MyCloud Fitness app, available on iOS and Android, for better tracking and planning of your workout goals. The basic workout track on the app is free for life. Within 14 levels of endurance resistance, this home magnetic rowing machine model is designed to suit everyone's needs, from beginners to athletes' challenge levels. The Smart Power Dial technology calculates your power output, calories and speed, based on your resistance level, how hard you pull and the distance pulled, and adequate for HIIT-based workouts and endurance rows. Also, the no-lag time resistance, the resistance picks up immediately, and there is no need to wait for the movements change. The maximum weight capacity for this rowing machine is up to 250 lbs, and it is foldable for secure storage, horizontally or vertically. Number 3. JOROTO Magnetic Rowing Machine. A pretty affordable machine, the JOROTO Magnetic Rower is one of the best rowing machines under $500 and is designed with magnetic tension, including up to 10 levels of resistance adjustment, suitable from beginners to those looking for more challenging workouts. This model also includes a digital monitor, with angle adjustment for ergonomic comfort, displaying count, total count, calories, time and scan. The double sensor structure guarantees more accurate data. It also includes a smartphone /tablet holder, allowing the user to exercise while watching a fitness class or a TV show. Built in with a high-quality solid aluminum flywheel, a non-touch magnetic resistance and aluminum slide rail, providing a smooth slide while working out, this rowing machine under $1,000 is considered quiet, ideal for home use. Some of the ergonomic features include a foam soft handlebar, large contoured cushion seat, sizable anti-slip foot pedal, and a gripping floor protector for a more stable workout. This model also has a cup holder for convenience. This magnetic rowing machine model holds a maximum weight capacity of 250 lbs. It is a foldable home rower for storage in a vertical or horizontal position. Number 4. WEKEEP OVICX Magnetic Rowing Machine. The WEKEEP OVICX Magnetic Rowing Machine is designed with high-quality solid aluminum, with a double slide track, providing a smooth and quiet workout experience in your home. The 16-level magnetic resistance adjustment provides a customizable workout that fits your home's fitness goals. The digital monitor tracks your progress, displaying calories, time, count and time count, distance and scan. It also includes a smartphone holder, for the convenience of watching your favorite TV show or a fitness class while working out. Some of the ergonomic features include large anti-slip foot pedals, adjustable based on the size of your rowing shoes, and non-slip floor protections for a solid workout. It holds a maximum weight capacity of 242.5 lbs, including transporting wheels for easy moving around, and it is foldable for easy storage. Number 5. ShareVgo Smart Folding Magnetic Rower. Unlike the other models of magnetic rowing machines under $1,000 available, the ShareVgo Smart works effectively when you connect your smartphone or tablet with the Bluetooth LCD monitor, tracking stroke count, workout time, distance and calories burned. Because the Bluetooth LCD monitor works connected with the ShareVgo app, needed to be installed for full tracking, the calculation is considered more accurate, since it is based on your gender, age and weight. You can also share your accomplishments on the app among your community members. Another feature of this magnetic rowing machine is the possibility of 6 presets distance-based goals and 6 challenge goals, including 500 m, 2000 m, 10 km, 5 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes options. Some of the ergonomic features include foam grip handlebar, large tablet holder, comfortable seat and a sizable non-slip foot pedal. This home magnetic rowing model holds a maximum weight of 300 lbs, is built in with a long and sturdy slide rail and is foldable for storage. Number 6. Sunny Health and Amp, Fitness SF, RW5515. The Sunny Health and Amp, Fitness magnetic rowing machine is designed with a magnetic tension system, including an 8-level resistance adjustable to suit your intensity workout needs. Within the turning of a dial, it is easy to increase your fitness level and track your improvement. The digital monitor displays the time, count, calories burned, total count or scan. The 48 inches extra long slide rail, with a 40 inches inseam length, allows this machine to suit rowers with long legs. The ergonomic features include foam grip handlebars, non-slip foot pedals with adjustable straps, wide cushion seats and floor stabilizers for a stable workout. This home magnetic rower model holds up to a maximum weight capacity of 250 lbs, including transportation wheels and folds for storage in vertical or horizontal positions. Number 7. ECHANFIT Magnetic Rowing Machine. The ECHANFIT magnetic rower model includes a magnetic 16-level resistance adjustment for effective fitness workout and better endurance tracking goals. The LCD monitor tracks the workout data, adjustable in different angles for ergonomic comfort, displays time, RPM, distance, scan, calories burned and count. It also comes equipped with a smartphone holder for convenience, foam grip handlebars, large pivot footplates with adjustable straps, and cushion seats for ergonomic comfort while working out. Built in with high-strength steel and durable power-coated paint for the longevity of the equipment. The high-quality steel ensures a smooth and quiet movement during a workout. Holding a maximum weight of 265 lbs, this model includes transportation wheels and floor gripping for a stable workout. It is a foldable model for a storage solution.